Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Yandex browser on your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set up Yandex browser on your phone, you just simply have to open your Play Store. Now, after opening the Play Store, click on the Search tab and search for Yandex browser in there. Now, after searching, Yandex, this application with orangey and yellowish color will appear. Just simply click into that application and then click to install. After clicking the install button, the application will successfully be installed into your device depending on your internet connection. Now, after installing the application, just simply open the browser application. Now you can log in or create the Yandex ID from here, and this way you can set up your Yandex browser on your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.